Hello and welcome back. So, I got something kind of unique today. Yesterday, this package showed up on my doorstep, and underneath this tape, which I just taped over it, said that it was to me in care of Don's Locks. So, what it boils down to is Don lives in Australia, and of course I'm in the U.S., and shipping from eBay to the country of Australia is a bit expensive. So what we had talked about a while ago, actually, and I even forgot about it, is he said if he came across anything on eBay, could he purchase it, send it to me, and then I will send it to him in the next package I send to him. I said, no problem. But since it's here, I'm gonna find out what it is and see if I can pick it. So, and then I'll ship it to him. But at any rate, if it's something I can pick, we're gonna give it a shot. I have no idea what's in this package, but hey, okay, looks like you got a lock. Ooh, it's an American. Cool. It's kind of interesting. Got wire on it. Let's see if I can get that wire off. Yeah, cool. Very old American. Nice heavy piece of brass here. Old enough it does not have, oh, it says B50 on there. I don't know if that's I guess it's a 50 millimeter probably, but it says by CISA, Italy. So yeah, pretty cool. Works just fine. Wow, pretty rusty. Doesn't really pop fast or anything, but I mean, as far as the shackle, the spring's kind of a little worn. Not too bad a bidding on it either. Looks like it's got a low high, so pretty cool. But it's here, and before I send it on to him, I'm gonna pick it. So let's put it in the vise and see if I can get into it. Let's see here. We'll call that the tax for sending it to me to send to him. Yeah. Let's see here. Oh, Yale style keyway. Let's see here. Let me grab my 50 thousandths or 40 thousandths. I'm sorry. And no, actually, let me see if that 50 will fit in there. Yeah, that fits. Okay, cool. And the Yale style, I like to use my gem, but I like to use my 18 thousandths in these. Americans, because they usually have some kind of security pins on them, but this one's old enough I doubt it does. Let's see here. Forward, okay, one is binding. Okay, I gotta click on him. Something in the back there. Hello. Trying to get to the back. Okay, got a little bit on 4 there. 5 is bound up. Oh, okay, 5 just gave me a false set. Thought maybe it was open. 3 is giving me counter, so it's got spools in it. Oh, and it's open. Okay, well, you know, these older padlocks don't take a whole lot, but pretty cool there. At least I know it has at least one spool in it. But at any rate, it is open, so I guess I can't zoom out. I'm already zoomed out. There you go. Pretty cool little padlock. Like I said, I will send this on to Don in the next package. Thank you very much for sending it to me so I can send to you. Pretty cool old American key though. Neat. At any rate, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and well, don't break the law.